It feels unreal to see it like this. I wouldn't dare go up there. The height of the tower will be 15 meters. The weight of these 4 trucks in total will be about 58 tons. We will handle this with the FMX with dual front axles and 38-ton bogie.
So, what do you think? Is it gonna hold?
Of course it would hold. We have an FMX in the bottom.
So the design phase was, I would say, 1 month. We build and designed parallel. One other thing is the control of the vehicle. We have equipped the FMX with Volvo dynamic steering. That is really important to have the truck not deviating from the course more than a couple of centimeters.
Hej, det var högt. Jag kör Volvo lastbil i 11 år snart. Mina vanliga uppdrag är att köra grus eller hämta maskiner. När jag körde tornet första gången så tyckte jag att det kändes inte så vingligt som jag trodde att det skulle göra.
Hallå, tjena.
Hej. Jag är stuntkoordinator.
Jaha.
Så det är jag som är ansvarig för att inte du trillar ner uppifrån.
Tack, vi pratar med dig.
I have certain respect for heights that I don't feel sometimes really comfortable about. It's the biggest launch ever at Volvo Trucks. The industry has never been doing that before, launching 4 new models at the same time. We are replacing the FH, FH16, the FM range and the FMX. That will have a positive impact for our customers' profitability. So we are doing this with big enthusiasm and a big passion to bringing this out to the markets. I cannot really compare it with anything because I've not done anything similar to that before.
Du känner att du har stabilt i linorna här?
Är det okej, Roger?